So now that we have our feature module, what does that actually mean? Well, it means a few things. First of all of our components have now been exported into code, and we can add them to our Git repository and begin to version control them. So this means as we make changes to the configuration, we can export those into code and add them as updates to our feature. And once we make a change to our configuration that we push into code through our feature module, then we can push that change via a Git pull to our production site or any other site and simply update our feature in order to pull those changes in. And we'll show how to do that step by step in just a little bit. And finally, while we won't be doing it in this series, now that we have our feature in a module, we can share that module with other projects. So not just copies of this site, but we can now take our module and share it with any other project. So if we have a project where we need an article type feature, we can then copy this module over, paste it in, and enable it, and it will automatically add our content type, our fields, and menu items without us having to really lift a finger. Now, working with a feature can be a little complicated, so as you begin to introduce this into your own workflow, it's okay if you run into problems from time to time. What we're going to do from this point on is look at how to make changes to our feature module and roll them back at various levels so that you know exactly how to make changes to the feature module, how to leverage what's already existing in code in order to maintain a state that you can roll back to, and how to deal with deploying feature modules and changes to feature modules to a production site.